We're going to walk you through the process of downloading and installing DaVinci Resolve on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It really supports the channel. DaVinci Resolve is an excellent tool for video editing, so let's get started. First, launch a web browser just like this. Now head to a search engine and type in DaVinci Resolve. You'll want to click on the official website, that's blackmagicdesign.com. Once you're on the site, scroll down a little bit and you'll find a free download button. Go ahead and click on it and then select the version you want. The version on the left is completely free, so we'll click on Windows here. Next, you'll need to fill out a short form with some basic info in order to start the download. After entering your details, hit register and download at the bottom. The download should begin automatically. If it doesn't, you can manually click the download link. Once it starts, just wait for the file to finish downloading. Now open File Explorer, head to the download section from the left side and locate the zip file you just downloaded. Go ahead and select the zip file, then right click on it and choose Extract All. Click Extract to begin unzipping. Once that's done, the folder will open automatically. Inside, you'll see the installer file. Double click on it to begin the setup. You might see a Windows security prompt. Go ahead and allow it. Next, you'll be shown a list of components to install. You can leave them checked or select what you need, then hit install. The setup wizard will now begin. Click Next, and then read through and accept the license agreement. Click Next again and choose your installation folder or leave it at the default. Tap Next, and then click Install to proceed. Once the installation completes, you'll be asked to restart your computer. Go ahead and click Yes to restart. After your computer reboots, you can now open DaVinci Resolve by either double-clicking the shortcut or searching for it in the Start menu. And there you have it. DaVinci Resolve is up and running. Now go ahead, create a new project and start editing. It's that easy.